Oats porridge is a gentle and nutritious first food for babies, rich in fiber and easy to digest. It is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals like iron and magnesium, which helps in the overall growth and brain development. Today we are going to make oats porridge for the baby. For oats porridge of 1 cup, we have taken 1 cup of rolled oats. Now this is readily available in any grocery store and you can use it safely to make porridge for your baby. Add a spoon of ghee in the hot karai. It supports healthy weight gain, promotes good bowel movements and keeps babies fuller for longer. Roast the oats on low flame for about 5 minutes. Add the milk and keep stirring. Add the seed mix which we had prepared earlier. If you want to know the recipe of how to make the seed mix, it is available on our channel as well. You can also add peanut butter powder, but that is completely optional. Oats porridge is also very good for pregnant and postpartum mothers because they help in lactation, thereby inducing your breast milk supply. Follow us for more of such recipe ideas and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, stay well.